Video time. Here we are in New Orleans, 2012 with Robert Williams and Gregory Louis Bohannon. The first part of my birthday celebration at the Napoleon Itch. Look at this shit. Honey, get into this body. Yes, live a little. Live a little. The dick ain't nothing, but that stomach's nice. Ow, ow, ow. And then turn around and make it pop. Yeah. That's how you got those abs. Ow. Fuck yeah. And then after that, I would die for those abs, honey.
Oh, I'd be like the biggest hoe in the street.
I would die for those abs. Baby!
I would quit my job and make money on the top. And you would have paid.
What's going on out there? I hear rootin' too.